So today I'm going to show how to use a tire pressure monitor like this kind. If you ever seen this before. This one here is made in China. This is mostly plastic and cheap material. And then here I have one made in USA. So we can zoom in on this patented M1 Milton, made in USA. This is how it looks like. Okay, I want to show how this works. So what you do first is, there's like this plastic piece in here. You push that all the way in, not with force, just in. And then we have to take the valve, the cap off here, like here. Let's put this here. And now we would put this one on here like this. So here, and we would push down. And what would happen at the same time when we do this, the plastic piece here at the end will come out. And I'm going to show this, that you can see both in this video, how it pops out. So that. And now we are going here and we're going to measure and read what it says. So here's pounds, kilopascal and pounds. So we want to measure in pounds. We have 30, 31, 32. So it's exactly at 32. The red ring shows exactly 32. 32 psi. That's the pressure on this tire. And now when we're done measuring, we put the cap back on. If we have too much pressure, by the way, we can use the little knob on the bottom. See on that side? That knob. If you push that in here, you can see if you push that in here, you release pressure. Release pressure. Now if we measure again, now we look here, we just released 1 psi. Now we have 31. You can hold it up like this. Where is it? Where's my camera? Here. You can see this better. 31. That's what we have now. Right? When you're done, you can just put it back in here. That's how that works. Now, make sure you keep this clean in here. In there, all clean. And then don't cross thread it. Just put the cap back on. There it goes. And now your tire pressure is measured.